What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox the GoXLR mixer. This is hands down one of the best mixers you will ever find on the market. It has a lot of good stuff, so many professionals like to use this device. For more information, be sure to check the links in the description section. I'm gonna add some more information down there. So this right here is the GoXLR mixer. Inside the box is the device wrapped in a nice casing. It comes with a charging cable and the charging brick. There is an adapter for the charging brick. On top of that, you get the USB-C cable for connecting to the computer. So this right here is the GoXLR. I decided to get it. Previously, I was using the Focusrite. This GoXLR mixer is better than the Focusrite. So let's check it out. There are so many awesome features in this GoXLR mixer. Let's go over them. The GoXLR mixer is a multi-channel mixer with motorized faders that let you control mic, game, music, chat, and more for the perfect broadcast mix. The sampler lets you record samples on the fly or load your own audio files to engage and entertain your community. The studio quality preamp makes your XLR mic sound great with 48 phantom power. There is an equalizer, a compressor, a limiter, a de-esser, and the gate. The voice effects lets you add reverb, echo, pitch shift, megaphone, robot, and add hard tune to your voice in real time. The GoXLR app is excellent. It lets you control your voice with a lot of different features. You're in control with basic and advanced audio parameters, sample import, and voice FX preset library. And that's it for the GoXLR, guys. If you are still new here, subscribe for more. If you want more information, check the description section. Until then, talk to you guys in the next video. Peace out.